Welcome once again. My name is John Oluwafemi Ola, and I'm the team lead for iSkillup Innovation Hub. Here we'll train on soft skill on how to make life better for you using your Windows and other softwares. Yes, welcome once again. Okay, today I'll be talking about why you should use Camtasia Studio for your next video editing. Yes, are you a YouTuber, just a newcomer just like me, or you are a newbie's video editor? Yes, TechSmith Camtasia Studio is a good software for you to use to carry out your next video editing. Yes, so let's quickly see how Camtasia looks like. And of course, before I go to that, you need to understand something, that Camtasia is one of those software that are simplified how to use software and as well edit video in a kind of easy to use manner. Camtasia, you don't have to be a pro before you can actually use Camtasia Studio to edit your video. So that's why I chose to use Camtasia Studio for all of my YouTube videos, and of course some of the video that client asked me to work on for them, and it's been giving me a very fantastic job. Yes, let's quickly go down to it. On your screen, when you open a Camtasia Studio, yes, Camtasia Studio go for a token. You can actually get a Camtasia Studio for as low as $299, of course, because it's actually a good software that you can actually use to do a very fantastic, even 4K video for your client. So let's quickly go down to it. Now here we have Camtasia Studio on my screen. So when you open your Camtasia Studio, this is what you see. You see new project, new recording, then open project. So for your new project, it's like as if you are starting something new on Camtasia Studio. Then for new recording, of course, you want to record as you work on video. That's what we are talking about. So, and also we have open projects. That means some projects that you have been working on before. So here let me quickly remind us that you can also use Camtasia Studio. Camtasia Studio is an all-in-one software that you can actually use to record your screen. You can use it to record your audio, and of course you can use it to do video editing. So it means from beginning to the end of editing, that is what Camtasia can do. Camtasia can also look for the source of mic that you want to use, not just audio that comes with your system that can only work with Camtasia Studio, TechSmith Camtasia Studio. It can also work with external microphones, and of course you can get your audio from any sources that you want. So let's quickly look at why it is important for you to actually use Camtasia Studio to do your next video. So let's click on new project. So when you click on your of course, as a way of reminder, my TechSmith Camtasia Studio is version 9. We have the latest one that is 2021, but this is the one I'm using for now, and I think this is good for me for now. When I have some cash, I can actually upgrade to the next level. So also please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and of course when we drop a new video, you will be one of the first to know that we have actually dropped a new video. And also click on the notification bell for you to know, to receive a notification anytime we drop our video. Thank you very much as you do that. So welcome. So this is what you have when you open Camtasia Studio. When you open your Camtasia Studio, this is what you get. Yes, now if you look at this Camtasia Studio, of course you will see on your left panel, you will see what we call media. Then the next, you have what we call annotation, you have transition, you have behavior, you have animation, you have cursor effect, you have voice narration, you have more. Under more, you have audio effects, you have video effects, you have interactivity, and you have captions. So now let's quickly look at those basic functions that this thing can actually give you. So one of the strengths of Camtasia Studio, as simple as it is for you to be able to edit your video, is one of the strengths is that you have several tracks. You can create several tracks where you can actually put audio, several videos, several audios, several pictures, your logos, whatever you can actually think of. It can take, I have never tried more than 40 tracks before, but I know it can actually take more than 40 tracks. So it means it is a world of unlimited possibilities when it comes to Camtasia Studio. So now let's quickly start from here. If you want to do anything on this on Camtasia, the first place you need to actually stuff up is where you import your media. You can actually import your media. You can import your media in forms of, okay, good. You can import your media in form of pictures. You can import your pictures in form of audios. You can import it in form of audios, videos. Let's take, for example, I've imported an audio. I can also import video, or some of the video I've worked on. Some of the video I've worked on, so I can actually import some of this video. So with Camtasia, I've actually created fantastic videos, so I can bring one of them, I can bring them in. So I can just click on it, it brings in the video here into this place, and I can also bring in pictures. Let me quickly bring in something from my from one of the things that I've actually worked on before, so we can actually use it. Okay, let me go to my iSkillup innovation. Yes, iSkillup innovation folder, so I can actually pick one of those things. If I want to pick, I think I should pick the logo. Let me pick the the iSkillup logo. Yes, then let me pick maybe another picture anyway, just to let you know how much this can also take. Let me just pick a picture, picture. So let me just pick this, so I can just click on this. So now in this place, what this is saying is that we can actually put all our media, audio media, video media, pictures and logos, whatever you want to put in here. So this platform, this is where we call the timeline, where you can actually add several tracks, the video track, the audio track, the picture track, the logo track, whatever track you want to add to it. You can as well, you can just do it like this, just drag. All you just need to just do is drag and drop. Also here you can also drag and drop here as well. You can pick this as well, drag and drop. So it makes like Camtasia Studio makes life very easy for you. It makes things very easy for you. You don't have to stress yourself to actually be able to do some of these things that we're talking about. So with this, you can stretch this, you can stretch it. So it's too big, you can reduce the picture and put it where you want it to be. So with this, I can zoom in so that I can see the whole of the track. Maximize this, drop this, make this longer. Okay, so reduce the audio to fit into others. So with that, I've actually created like a project. So the audio is at the background, and the video is on the top, which is this is my video and this is my audio. So let me quickly give you a kind of just a playback. Let me just allow it.
Yes,
so
welcome once again.
My
name is John.
It works like this, as you can see. The audio is at the background and the video is there. So that's how it works. French. it works. So that's it. It's just for you to know that you can actually make use of Camtasia to actually to implement your next project of video creation and video editing. And also, let's quickly look at some of those things that we have on the left bar. So look at annotation. On the annotation, there you can actually just create text. Just let me drag in text here. Let me just put maybe iSkillup. So with this iSkillup, I can just come here and change the color, make it bold so that you can see what I'm working on. Can reduce it, so I can put it here. So with this, here is it on the timeline. So I can add some behavior to it, I can add transition to it, and I can add a behavior to it. I can just come here and pick behavior, add this to it, put it on it, and let's just play it and see what to give you a form of behavior, whatever behavior you actually had to it. That's exactly what that text is gonna do. So is you have so it makes life very easy for you. So that's why I said Camtasia Studio is one of those software, easy to use easy to implement for those that are just coming into video editing, and of course for those of you that are aspiring to be YouTubers. So at this point, I want to say thank you for listening to my channel once again, and of course, if you appreciate what we have done today, please click on the subscribe button, and so that when we post another video, you'll be one of the first to know that we have dropped a video. And also click on the notification bell so that you'll get notification anytime we drop another video. So I want to say thank you once again. This is iSkillup Innovation Hub, and my name is John Oluwafemi Ola. Thank you very much.